Stainless steel jewelry has garnered immense popularity among fashion jewelry enthusiasts, thanks to its durability and chic appearance. However, regular cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep your stainless steel jewelry looking as good as new. Hi, my name is Akmakjian from BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance. In this video, I will be providing step-by-step instructions on how to clean stainless steel jewelry, along with valuable tips to ensure its longevity. Stainless steel jewelry is made from a versatile and durable metal alloy known as stainless steel. This alloy is composed primarily of iron, carbon, and varying proportions of chromium and nickel. These elements give stainless steel exceptional properties, making it an excellent choice for crafting jewelry that is not only stylish, but also highly resilient. Stainless steel jewelry offers a compelling combination of benefits. Its remarkable durability, stemming from its resistance to tarnish, dents, and corrosion, ensures that your jewelry maintains its polished appearance for years to come, even with frequent wear. For individuals with sensitive skin or allergies to certain metals, stainless steel provides a hypoallergenic alternative. The low nickel content significantly reduces the risk of skin irritation or allergic reactions. Furthermore, stainless steel jewelry is notably more affordable than traditional precious metals like gold or platinum, making it accessible to a wider range of budgets. Its versatility shines through in a wide array of designs available, catering to diverse tastes and preferences, from simple everyday pieces to bold statement accessories. Caring for stainless steel jewelry is also incredibly straightforward. Its resistance to tarnish and corrosion minimizes the need for extensive upkeep. A regular cleaning with mild soap and water, along with a gentle use of a polishing cloth, is typically all that's required to maintain its shine. Finally, its inherent water and sweat resistance makes stainless steel an excellent choice for those who lead active lifestyles or enjoy outdoor activities. While stainless steel is known for its resilience, it's inevitable that dirt and smudges will accumulate over time. Regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial to keep stainless steel pieces looking their best. While professionally cleaning by a jeweler is always an option, you can easily maintain that characteristic stainless steel shine at home. Here's a simple guide to cleaning your stainless steel jewelry. A soft cloth, warm water, mild dish soap, baking soda, soft bristle toothbrush, and lukewarm water for rinsing. You'll also want a lint-free cloth and a soft towel. If your jewelry has detachable parts like charms or pendants, gently remove them before cleaning to prevent damage. Gently wipe the jewelry with a soft cloth to remove any loose dirt or dust. Mix a few drops of mild dish soap or a pinch of baking soda in warm water. You can also use a dedicated stainless steel jewelry cleaner if preferred. Dip a soft bristle toothbrush into a soapy solution and gently scrub the jewelry, paying close attention to the areas with visible dirt or grime. Use gentle circular motions to avoid scratching the surface. Rinse the jewelry under lukewarm running water to remove all soap residue. Avoid using hot water as extreme temperatures can damage certain components. Pat the jewelry dry with a lint-free cloth or a soft towel, ensuring no moisture remains. Pay close attention to the crevices and hard-to-reach areas to prevent water spots. Once completely dry, reassemble any detachable parts, ensuring they are securely fastened. Important note: avoid using ultrasonic cleaners or steam cleaners on stainless steel jewelry. The intense heat and vibration can damage the plating. By following these simple steps, you can keep your stainless steel jewelry looking at its best and enjoying its brilliance for years to come. In addition to regular cleaning, these simple tips will help you maintain your stainless steel jewelry for years to come. Avoid frequent water exposure. While stainless steel jewelry is generally water resistant, avoid wearing it during swimming or showering, as prolonged water exposure can compromise appearance and performance. Perform a monthly deep cleaning. Conduct a deep cleaning once a month to remove layers of dirt and grime. Follow the same cleaning steps outlined above, but give extra attention to thoroughness. Maintain water resistance. Have water-resistant jewelry professionally tested and serviced by a jeweler regularly to ensure the integrity of the gaskets and seals. Use a clean cloth for routine cleaning. Use a soft cloth or microfiber cloth to wipe jewelry regularly, removing surface smudges and fingerprints between deep cleanings. And avoid harsh chemicals. Refrain from using abrasive cleaners or harsh chemicals as they can damage the jewelry surface. Stick to mild dish soap or a cleaning solution specifically designed for stainless steel or metal accessories. Polish stainless steel jewelry. To restore that stainless steel shine, use a jewelry polishing cloth or seek professional polishing services for removing minor scratches or scuffs. It's best to keep each piece separately in a jewelry box or soft pouch to prevent scratches or tangling with other accessories. Storing stainless steel jewelry separately helps maintain its shine and preserve its appearance. Remember to clean your stainless steel jewelry regularly. Avoid excessive water exposure, protect it from scratches, and seek professional help when necessary. Additionally, consider investing in jewelry insurance for your stainless steel jewelry. At BriteCo, we offer cost-effective, comprehensive coverage that protects your jewelry in the event of loss, theft, or damage. Thank you so much for watching.